I'm trying to remove my Kenmore Elite wall oven to replace fan motor. Model I can get it to pull out. Please help.
Welcome and thank you for your question. I will be the professional that will be assisting you. Hi, will you send the model number with a space after the third number or a decimal after the third number? Thanks.
790.47893604.
Thank you. This unit has two small screws on the side under the control panel. They go into the trim piece on the side. Usually they have a black head on them so they blend in. You will need to remove the screws from the trim piece in order to slide the oven out. Below is a link to a picture of the trim piece. http://s.sears.com/image/sears/pd_0022_628_318,903,747. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thanks.
This doesn't seem to be correct. We have no screws on side. I will take a picture and send.
Take a picture of the trim near the top under the control panel. It's possible you need the install tool to reinstall it. There's a small hole under the control panel that a small metal piece slides into that releases the tabs on the inside. Did the installers leave a tool with you when they installed it? It looks similar to a tool to reinstall a CD player from a car. Thanks.
I'm trying to send picture.
Yes, thank you for the pictures. You need a tool to get this unit out. Look at the link below. Look at page 7, diagram 7. Did the installers leave the tool with you? http://manuals.fr.igitair.com/pridinfo_pdf/318201514.pdf.
We have the tools but cannot release them. There doesn't seem to be mounting brackets.
Yes, it's not an easy task. They are there or the unit would slide out. Depending on how they mounted the brackets, you will have to push the tool as far in as possible. Try going at an angle down and up to engage the bracket. You'll feel it. It will get tight. Keep pushing and pop one side out, then do the same on the other side. I've fought this same thing countless times.
Okay. Let me give it a try. I'll let you know ASAP.
Sounds great. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.